How to change iPhone ringtone in seconds as well personalize your call. Go to settings. Now from here, locate and tap on sound and haptics. When you tap on sound and haptics, you have what is called ringtone here. Tap on it. When you tap on ringtone, you have different ringtones here. You can pick from any of these ringtone. Now here you have classic. Before that you have volume. By tapping on this, it sets your ringtone. So merely tapping on it sets your ringtone. Now you have classic, and take a look at classic. That tells that there are some ringtone here. Tap on classic. When tap on classic, you have lot of ringtone here. Just tap on any of these guys, it set you straight to your ringtone. Let's try xylophone. You see xylophone as ringtone. Summit as ringtone. Sonar as ringtone. Just take back like this, that will be set as your ringtone. Then you may as well go to tone store and have some ringtone to your iPhone, though some of these ringtones here are paid, so you can take your time and see that here. You see chat. Under chat we have so many ringtones here that you can add to your iPhone as your ringtone. So don't forget that by tapping on each of these tone, it's automatically set as default ringtones for your device, and by default reflection is default ringtone on iPhone. So you can select any of these guys as your ringtone. That's all guys. For your this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.